What if I told you that tonight you could become the master of your dreams, fully aware and in control of a world no one else can see? Welcome to Sync to Think, your gateway to unlocking the hidden power of your mind. Tonight we're diving into the fascinating world of lucid dreaming, the art of becoming consciously aware within your dreams. Imagine taking control of your dreams, exploring surreal landscapes, or confronting fears safely, all while you sleep. Sounds magical, right? But it's very real, and with the right techniques, you can start experiencing lucid dreams as soon as tonight. Lucid dreaming is the state where you become aware that you're dreaming while still inside the dream. Unlike regular dreams, where you passively observe events, lucid dreams let you actively shape the dream world. Scientists have studied lucid dreaming for decades, confirming its reality and benefits, including improved creativity, problem-solving skills, and emotional healing. So how can you start lucid dreaming tonight? Here are some proven beginner techniques. Reality checks. Throughout the day, ask yourself, am I dreaming? Try pushing your finger through your palm or reading a text twice. Making this a habit will trigger your mind to question reality even in dreams. Dream journal. Keep a notebook by your bed and write down every detail of your dreams as soon as you wake up. This trains your brain to remember dreams better and recognize dream patterns. Mnemonic induction of lucid dreams, mild. Before falling asleep, repeat a phrase like, I will realize I'm dreaming, to plant a conscious intention. Wake back to bed technique, WBTB. Set an alarm to wake up after 6 hours of sleep. Stay awake for 20-30 minutes, focusing on lucid dreaming, then go back to sleep. This increases chances of entering a lucid dream. Lucid dreaming is a skill that grows with practice and patience. Don't be discouraged if it doesn't happen right away. Keep training your mind, stay curious, and soon you'll unlock a whole new world inside your dreams. Dive deeper, explore, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Stay tuned for more deep dives into the mysteries of the mind. Sweet dreams, and see you in the next video.